TV is an app which you can use to watch exciting dramas. We're going to see if you can really get money from this app. When you use the app, you realize like the requirement is $15, the minimum amount to withdraw. I have like around like 3,500 coins. That is equivalent to $3.15. That means like around like 1,000 coins equivalent to like $1. And you can earn from daily check-ins. I think they say they support PayPal and Cash App. So if you try to withdraw like $3, they'll tell you like minimum is $15. Now $15 will not been a problem, but can you really watch dramas and earn this $15? Can you withdraw $15? Okay. First of all, something which is a big red flag when you're using this app is when you install it, you don't even ask even to sign into your Gmail or to sign up. So first of all, how will they even track your earnings if you're not even signed in? Maybe they'll ask it maybe at the time of withdrawal. But what I've seen is such apps which you really pay to track your earnings well, they usually ask you to sign in because they can track you with your email. So if you just download an app and start actually watching videos without actually being signed in, like you're anonymous, okay? So let's try to see, when you read about the people who have been using this app, you realize like they kind of get stuck to reach that amount. And me personally, when I use this, I tried to use this app back in, I think, April. And when you try to withdraw, you can reach $15, but when you try to withdraw, you're stuck in 3 days processing period. And that has never happened up to now. That has been like April, May, June, July, August. So it has been like 3 months, and the processing hasn't been over. So as you see in the comments, don't wait for 3 days, because after that long days of waiting, there will be another task. So that's when I gave up. So you may think like, okay, let me try to do other tasks. But what you have to know is these apps are made for entertainment. They are not made to make money, guys. Okay. So if you are using Snack TV, you can use it just for entertainment. Just as I'm doing, I don't have any hopes of getting paid actually. I knew actually I won't really get paid, but I just wanted to test it out. Okay. So these apps are made for you to enjoy their dramas, enjoy the plays. For you, these ones are kind of can be selected by the app for you depending on maybe your location or something. Okay. But these apps don't actually pay to watch videos. Even if they did, the money is usually too small seriously to consider your internet and time. Okay, these apps that I've ever paid me like $1 for watching videos for like 6 months. Of course, I was just watching videos for fun. So, but imagine if you really meant to make money, would you really accept $1 for 6 months, considering the time and internet you have invested in? So most of these apps are just for entertainment. The money that they can show you is just for motivation. Okay. For me, I take it as useless money. Okay, virtual money, just for motivation. But it's really, really unrealistic that you're going to be paid from Snack TV. So Snack TV is really great. Their dramas are really cool. Okay. Most of them are from Southeast Asia, Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, maybe some Chinese. So some of them you realize actually the translation is there is dubbing. In other words, they translate from another language to English. Okay, so yeah, that's what I can say. But for Snack TV, you should not really take it as an earning app. If you're taking it as an earning app, you'll be disappointed. These apps are just for fun. Your free time, you can watch movies, and that's why actually they have more than 1 million downloads, because people watch these dramas even if they're not being paid. Okay, so for you who's watching this to be paid, this is not an app you can watch videos to be paid. Seriously, guys. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be bringing on apps here on my YouTube of real apps that really pay people. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.